Hey guys, this is Matt Gardening and I'm Vijay. Today we are going to see about the two types of sowing which would be useful for a better sowing process. So let's get into the video. So the first method is soaking. You must soak at least for an hour. Then take off the seeds from the water and soak it. This will ensure that the hard coated seedlings like fennel, these fennel have a fibrous seed covering which would make the process of germination slower. So I have some basil seeds as well as fennel seeds. I love growing these both seedlings, so I'm going to try to grow them in a different way. I'm going to fill my garden with them. So we are going to now soak them. This method will surely give you a good result, a better result, because all the seedlings would sprout in this method. 90%. That's a great thing, right? So soak the seeds, and after an hour or so, let's see how it looks, and we'll sow them. So it started soaking right now. You can see the difference in color. It's becoming gray. So let's see after an hour. So what I'm doing is soaking it for about an hour, which will absorb more water, and the germination process would kickstart more fast. So first let's sow the basil seeds. So I've got some basil seeds which is soaked for about an hour. I'll make some trenches, or I'll dig some holes about 1 centimeter deep in the container in which I'm going to grow. 1 centimeter itself is a deep one. Half centimeter is fine because these are small seeds, so they may take time to germinate, or it may get stuck in them. So what we are going to do is make small holes, take very less seeds, sow them here and there like this. And close the ditch. You can mix some soil with it so that it's not so sticky. This seed is so sticky because it absorbs more water. So make some holes or trenches in the soil. Add some seeds. So if you're sowing them for bulbs, please ensure there's more space, because these will produce bulbs which are extremely tasty. But I'm going to grow them for herb, as a herb. So let me sow them nearby. You can even use these microgreens. It would be extremely tasty. I love its sweet, tender texture, and it would have some crispy texture when you use them as a microgreen. I love these microgreens, so I'm going to grow them for microgreens as well as for. Sow these fennel seeds at least half centimeter deep, because these are very strong plants. They can come out very well, and the seeds are really big. So for big seeds, you must dig a deep hole. For small seeds, you must just put them on the top. But if you sow them directly, it may take up to 2 weeks for the germination. Then think about the growth. It would be very slow. So soaking method would work really well. Look like this after 2 weeks. Normally there's no speed up of the plant of basil. It's just like that. So the speeding up process is not a great amount, because basil seeds absorb Basil seeds absorb water very well, so that's not going to be a problem. Just 2 to 3 days difference, that's all. So the next method is tissue paper method. Sprinkle some seeds here and there. You can use any seeds like bitter gourd, watermelon, muskmelon, whatever seeds you want. But tomatoes, they actually grow well in the soil itself. But if you want 100% germination rate, or if you want all the seeds to be used, or you don't want to waste any seeds, then this method is the best method, but it's an extra work, that's all. So close them like this and place it in an airtight container. Then just sprinkle some water. You can even spray, but I don't. I cannot fetch my sprayer right now, so spray some water, it will be absorbed. If there is extra water, just throw them, because excess moisture will make it to rot. So sprinkle water, that would be better, or spray some water, then close it. This would give a greenhouse effect. The seeds would grow very well. Place it in a windowsill or some spot like that which is bright, so that the seedlings have sunlight, but not in direct sunlight, because it may absorb more heat and may cause the seedlings death. So what you need to do is place it near a bright spot, near the windowsill or something like that. After a week or so, you can transplant the seedlings, so that it grows well. You must transplant them into a smaller container, then into a bigger container where you want them to grow them actually. Please ensure that you water your seedlings daily, because it may dry out of the excess sunlight or the less sunlight. If it is raining, don't water, because there's a chance of decay of the seedlings. It will decay very faster than the bigger plants. And place them in indirect sunlight, that is for 3 hours of direct sunlight, that would be enough, or even 2 hours would be enough. 6 hours of direct sunlight would burn the seedlings, so take care of the seedlings very well. Hope this video is useful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below so that I could know more about the video. Thanks for watching.